It's just amazing to see how random people become millionaires. That's awkward. I'm used to see only politicians. NFT millionaire stories can inspire people for ages. The NFT niche has a daily volume of over $5 million. Even teenagers are making millions with NFTs, and in this video I will show you how. More, I want you after watching this video to feel more inspired, motivated and ready to make millions. Hi, I'm Petko Alexandrov and I'm a professional cryptocurrency trader that enjoys the NFT world. It's just unbelievable. And today I want to show you just how much money people are making from NFTs. People around the world are earning thousands and even millions from NFTs, and their earning potential isn't limited by their age. This makes NFTs attractive to investors who don't want limits placed on them that seem very difficult to overcome. It's important for all investors to know what they can achieve with this kind of asset. Everyone won't make millions from just one NFT. However, you might earn a steady income from NFTs if you take the time to understand how the market works and implement what you learn. If you are the parent of a talented teen, you can encourage them to be a player in this market. They might start making millions. However, just as with any type of crypto asset, it's important to do your due diligence with NFTs. If you buy an NFT, there is no guarantee that you will be able to sell it for a high price. Similarly, some vendors try to make it appear as if lots of people are interested in their NFT. They place bets on the art from a number of addresses. If you're purchasing an NFT, ensure that it's one that really interests you. Also ensure that you investigate all of the other bits completely. Do real people make millions with NFTs? You may have heard of a millionaire or two, however, they may seem like professional artists. For example, the most expensive NFT creation to date was the merge. The artist who created this NFT is known as Pac. The work was sold for $91.8 million. The merch wasn't purchased by a single person. Around 30,000 collectors now own this artwork, although they don't physically have it in their possession. They all came together to pay for it. The second most expensive work of art in this category is Everyday's, the first 5,000 days. This NFT sold for close to 69.3 million. It was created by Beeple, an artist whose name has almost become synonymous with NFTs. Who is Beeple? Beeple is one of the most well-known NFT artists in the world. Even if someone has never purchased an NFT before and has no knowledge of how to open their own account on a crypto exchange, it's likely that they know the name of this artist. His real name is Mike Winkelmann and he's an American. Beeple's NFT millionaire stories and stories of other artists have had a significant impact. They have encouraged many people around the world to become more involved in investing in crypto assets. Regular, undiscovered, yet talented artists are also making money. Some artists are formally trained in oils, watercolors, and mixed media. However, others are graphic designers who are comfortable using digital design methods. The success that Beeple is enjoying is not an isolated incident. Some of these artists have sold NFTs consistently each year. If you are an investor who is interested in diversifying their crypto assets, you should learn more about the pros and cons of NFTs.
Now I really want to thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you wish to stay tuned with the NFT world, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. When I see my YouTube channel growing, I feel energized to research, learn and share my skills with you. Thank you so much for that, and thank you Actomations for sponsoring this video. Let me tell you about the world of automations. Their public sale is open. What I really liked about the project is their website design and their unique art. Also, their roadmap and community look really promising when I compare them with other NFT projects. There are only around 40 NFTs and 170 mint passes until the sellout. Every mint pass grants you a free Automation NFT, and every Automation NFT grants you a free Egg Chicken NFT. Egg Chickens will be used in the upcoming Play and Earn game. Besides that, mint pass owners get to mint 7 more exclusive NFT novels written by Justin Sloan. The name of the first novel is Automation's Origins Greed, and the cover design by Lamuta looks really nice. It's my first time seeing a fully on-chain novel that is readable directly on OpenSea. Isn't that interesting? And do not forget that holding an Egg NFT grants you exclusive access to their Egg Academy and closed alpha channels. I spent some time there, and according to me, the value that this project provides is huge. Thank you guys so much, and with that being said, let's go back to the video. NFTs offer opportunities to everyone. Teams are responding quickly to NFTs. So are other artists who were already selling their art on Etsy and other online platforms. Some of them are barely old enough to drive to the bank. Jaden Steb is a 15-year-old artist from Washington, United States. His debut NFT artwork first sold for 20 ETH. At that time, that was $30,000. Since then, it's being traded for $60,000. After his initial success on the blockchain, Jaden created more NFTs. Since then, he has earned enough to help his parents pay off their mortgage. He has also helped them to pay off their cars. Alright, it all sounds great, but how do NFT artists make money? Many NFT artists are already familiar with digital art. For example, they might post drawings online. Some may design graphics for online clients. But any artwork can be changed to a non-fungible token. This is an NFT. And in all of my videos, I've given a few tips on creating NFTs. You will need to choose a blockchain, for example. Take that as a different technology that you will use for your NFT. For example, the Ethereum blockchain is related with high gas fees, which I have explained in another video. I will drop it right in the corner. Some bidders like to purchase work that speaks to them on a personal level. Others go for artists with a brand. Consider all of this carefully as you're creating your own artwork. After you've made your NFT, you will need to make it available for purchase. People will want to bid on it. Bidding helps sellers to get the highest price that the market has to offer. There are many NFT marketplaces. You can choose any one that suits your needs. Well-known NFT platforms include OpenSea, Crypto.com, Solana, obviously one of the platforms I have been recording a lot about. You will also need a digital wallet for payment. MetaMask and Coinbase have good reputations, and they've been popular options for traders who need wallets. After people start bidding on your artwork, you might be in the money. You can sell the work whenever you choose to. Your earnings can be stored as crypto, or you can exchange that for a fiat currency such as dollar or Japanese yen. Now this is interesting. Some of the best NFT millionaire stories involve auction houses. Auction houses track their most profitable sales of traditional art. Similarly, marketplaces that specialize in NFTs monitor, support and encourage artists who make a sizable profit.
The most expensive work in this category for 2021 was the one created by Beeple. This artist also created another NFT that was sold for 29 million. This was called Human One. Christie's was the auction house that was involved in the bidding for Human One. This is interesting for several reasons. For example, it shows the connection of the mainstream art world to NFTs. So when Human One sold for 28.9 million in 2021, it showed that Beeple's prior success with NFTs was repeatable. In that same year, many other artists made millions from NFTs. For example, CryptoPunk number 3100 was sold for 7.67 million. This was equal to 4208 at that time. CryptoPunks was one of the first NFT collections. It was made long before NFT collections became as popular as they are known. It was released on the Ethereum blockchain in 2017. In addition to Christie's, auction houses such as Sotheby's and Phillips have also decided to facilitate the sale of NFTs. Sotheby's sold a record of 7.3 billion in art in 2021, and 100 million of that came from NFTs. One of the most notable lots at Sotheby's has been the bundle of NFTs known as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which sold for 24.3 million. Auction houses such as Phillips have also expanded their range to include NFTs. Mad Dog Jones has sold work through Phillips. This Canadian artist was able to enter the history books with that sale. He's now the most expensive living Canadian artist. His single most expensive artwork, which is known as Replicator, was sold for 4.1 million in 2021. Mad Dog Jones combines music and art in his work. He's sold more than 1,590 NFTs so far. The average price of an NFT from this artist is more than $11,000. Analysts at JP Morgan have reported that the market capitalization of NFTs is about $7 billion. This could continue to grow significantly if all of the legal issues that face the sector are addressed comprehensively. Both regulators and market participants would be responsible for doing that. Do you have to be an artist to make millions with crypto? You don't have to be an artist to make millions with crypto. You don't have to create art at all. Some people make money from NFTs by investing in them. On my YouTube channel, I've also shown you how to create an NFT even if you're not an artist and aren't comfortable with using code. And I've actually put the most important in one online course, which you can find below at a super cheap price according to me. If you are only interested in trading NFTs, you can do that as well. Just as you would invest in traditional art on canvas or board, you can invest in NFTs. You can purchase an NFT that you like and sell it at a profit. Even NFT artists do this. These artists don't solely rely on profits from their own work. They look for opportunities to invest in the work of others. That has dual benefits. For one, they diversify their income streams within the same niche. They broaden their conditions in the niche. They also help other artists to build their own brand. Several artists have made millions with NFTs. Their earnings are impressive. In fact, the potential has encouraged other young artists to pursue their dreams. They see where they can make a living from their art instead of struggling to make a name. Active on both Instagram and Twitter, 32-year-old art director Amritpal Singh has extensive experience in the digital art world. Has gained recognition for his illustrations and has done work for clients such as Netflix, Adobe, FedEx, and Vercel. He is not a story of overnight success. He can share his own NFT millionaire stories. This graphic designer and artist made $1 million just from non-fungible tokens. This profit from his artwork was made over 9 months. He sold 57 different NFTs to reach his first million. Sellers in NFT Millionaire stories reinvest some of their profits. They identify upcoming artists. They also look for artwork that will look like it will do well on the market. Crypto art on the blockchain is doing just as well as other forms of art. In fact, it's doing so well that some young artists have bypassed traditional galleries. I hope that soon you will be on the list of NFT Millionaire, and I hope that this video made you feel motivated to chase your first million. Remember that it's no one to stop you. It's no one to stop you from smashing the like button as well, which will push the video to a brand new audience, and if they do the same, I would be super happy, as if I was selling my first NFT for $1 million. Thank you guys so much for doing this and staying with me until the end of the video. Check the links below in the description. For each video I select links that might help you the most. Eyes open for everything that's happening in the crypto market. I wish you to enjoy your day. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!